present perfect continuous tense. In this module, we will learn about present perfect continuous tense. By definition, tense that indicates an action or event that begins at a certain moment in the past and is still continuing into the present is called present perfect continuous tense. So, tense that is used to indicate an action or event that started at a certain point of time in the past and is still going on in the present is called present perfect continuous tense. If you carefully look at the timeline, the box around event A signifies the time when the action or event happens, as represented by present perfect continuous tense. And here we can clearly see that event A began at a certain moment in the past and is still continuing. Let us understand conjugation of the verb do in the perfect continuous tense. One, as singular means one, tense used is perfect continuous tense and first person is I. The sentence used is, I have been doing it for a long while. As plural means more than one, tense used is perfect continuous tense and first person is we. The sentence used is, we have been doing it for a long while. 2. As singular means one, tense used is perfect continuous tense. Second person in both singular and plural is you. The sentence used in both the cases is, you have been doing it for a long while. 3. As singular means one, tense used is perfect continuous tense and third person is he. The sentence used is, he has been doing it for a long while. As plural means more than one, tense used is perfect continuous tense and third person is they. The sentence used is, they have been doing it for a long while.
Present perfect continuous tense. Let us now study about the structure of sentence for present perfect continuous tense. Let us take the case of a positive sentence. The structure of the sentence will be subject plus auxiliary verb plus main verb or present participle plus object plus time reference. That is, subject plus has been or have been plus first form of verb or base verb plus ing plus object plus time reference. Note, if the subject is he, she, it, singular or proper name, then auxiliary verb has been is used after the subject in the sentence. For example, he has been watering the plants for 2 hours. It has been raining for 3 days. If the subject is you, I, they, or plural, then auxiliary verb have been is used after the subject in the sentence. For example, they have been watering the plants for 2 hours. I have been studying since 3 o'clock. They have been watching television since 6 o'clock. Let us now take the case of a negative sentence. The structure will be subject plus not between the auxiliary verbs plus main verb or present participle plus object plus time reference. That is, subject plus has not been or have not been plus first form of verb or base verb plus ing plus object plus time reference. To make a negative sentence, the word not is written between the auxiliary verbs, so it becomes like has not been or have not been. The rule for using auxiliary verb has been or have been in negative sentences is as same as mentioned above. For example, he has not been watering the plants for 2 hours. I have not been studying since 3 o'clock. It has not been raining for 3 days. She has not been working in this office since 2007. Let us now take the case of an interrogative sentence. The structure will be auxiliary verb plus subject plus auxiliary verb plus main verb or present participle plus object plus time reference. That is, has or have plus subject plus been plus first form of verb or base, verb plus ing plus object plus time reference. Note, interrogative sentence starts with auxiliary verb. If the subject is he, she, it, singular or proper name, then the sentence starts with auxiliary verb has and auxiliary verb been is used after subject. For example, has he been watering the plants for 2 hours? If the subject is you, I, they or plural, then the sentence starts with auxiliary verb have and been is used after subject. For example, have I been studying since 3 o'clock? Have they been watching television since 6 o'clock? Has she been working in this office since 2007? Another important thing to note about present perfect continuous tense is that you can also use the present perfect continuous without a duration, such as for 2 weeks. Without the duration, the tense has a more general meaning of lately. We often use the words lately or recently to emphasize this meaning. Let us take some examples. Recently, I have been feeling really tired. In this sentence, the duration has not been specified. However, the word recently has been used to emphasize the general meaning of lately. She has been watching too much television lately. In this sentence, the duration has not been specified. However, the word lately has been used to emphasize the general meaning of lately. Have you been exercising lately? In this sentence again, the duration has not been specified. However, word lately has been used to emphasize the general meaning of lately.